Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to install Mac OS X on a PC. So first you will need to go to virtualbox.org, click on the Downloads tab and download the Windows host copy. Then you want to use Hazard Leopard 10.6.6. You can use your favorite torrent site, whatever you want to do. Then you want to open up VirtualBox. You want to click on the New tab. You want to create your own. You can type in any name like Leopard, and it will automatically go to these if you type in any Mac or Leopard. You can put the amount of RAM you want. You want to put dynamically expanding if you want to expand it, or fixed. I'm just going to leave it at dynamically expanding. You can leave that there or change the name. You can change the gigabytes of space you want on it. You just click next, you finish and finish. Then you click settings. You want to go to system. You want to uncheck enable EFI. You want to uncheck floppy. You want to move the hard disk up. You can change the processor's amount. I'll leave it at 2. Take off enable nesting. Then for storage, you have these options. You click the empty, click on the little disk, click choose a virtual disk. There we go. So that's Snow Leopard 10.6.6 by Hazard. You want to then click OK. Then you can click Start. You get this bootloader, so you want to click F8, and in this script you want to click -V and click enter. It will run all this script and stuff. After it's done, it will show an Apple logo and it will boot up. Okay, there we go. So you can use any language you want. I'm just going to go with English. So first you want to go to Utilities, Disk Utility. You want to click on your drive. You want to click Erase. You can name it anything you want, but do not put any spaces. You can click Erase and Erase. And that takes about 10 seconds or so. So there you go. You want to click X. You click Continue, Agree. You want to click your drive. You want to click Customize now. And for the bootloaders, you want to click Chameleon RC5. You want to go into kernel, and these are for legacy, so you want to do that. For drivers, you can enable for the graphics driver if you have an ATI or Intel or NVIDIA. I have an NVIDIA, so just going to open in here and click that. If you have ATI, you want to go down and click Exotic for those 4000 and 5000 series cards. Then you want to click Sound. You want to check the Voodoo HDA 0.2.7.2. Close that up. You want to click Network. You could install any LAN patch you want to. I'm not going to do any of that because mine works. You go to Chipset and tick mark the J Micron ATA. And if you are running this on a laptop, you can configure that here. Then you want to close up drivers. You can go to SATA patch, patch the AHCI. You can go to patches and patch FS, and if you have any USB 3.0s, you can. I'm not going to do that right now. And then after that, you want to click OK. And then you just click install. And this takes around 15 minutes or so. So I will pause the video and come back. Okay guys, so the installation has finished. That took around 20 or so minutes. So next you want to click continue. It will load. Then it tells you to restart your computer. So just click restart. And usually I get stuck on a gray screen, just like this one. So it says you can reset your computer now. So now you can just click the X up here, click power off the machine, and for this tutorial I will click start and show you what happens if you leave the setting as macOS. So now you click that and it will load. And if you get this panic, then you want to click X. You want to power the machine off. You want to go here, you want to click settings. You want to change these settings to BSD and it'll do it to free BSD. Then you want to click, let it load for a second, and then you want to click start. And now you will see when it loads. You want to click enter. This is the Chameleon bootloader. And your Hackintosh will load, and you can enter all the information. Then it asks you to select your keyboard, so click US. You would just click continue. Enter your Apple ID and you just click continue. Then it asks you for your address and all that stuff. You don't need to enter any of that. Just exit all out, or you can enter it if you want to. And click continue. Continue. Then it asks you for your account. You can enter any name you want to enter. A password. If you don't want a password, you don't have to enter one. You click OK. Continue. Then you can enter whatever time zone. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Doesn't matter. You can change it later. Then it says thank you, your Mac is ready. There you go. You're up and running with your Mac. There you go. Now it asks you to set up your keyboard. There you go. Everything's loaded. If you can't detect it, just click US. Done. There you go. You have your App Store. Fully working. Haven't downloaded anything, haven't tried yet, but hopefully that works. Then you have your Safari. iTunes, all, Time Machine, Preferences. You have your hard drive. And so you can see the wireless works. Welcome to Safari. And there you go. You got your Mac up and running. If you found this video helpful, please comment, rate, and subscribe if this helped you install Mac on your PC. Thank you for watching.